guys, JB Vids here. So what I've done is I've bought a pair of Beat Studio 3 wireless headphones. You can see all the specs at the back here. I'll let you have a look if you want. It's got Bluetooth, it's wireless as well. Let's just get into opening it. I'll probably show you like specs on the screen and the price of it. But let's get into opening it. Put that down here, out the way. Let's try and get this off. So there you go, there's the wrapper off. Now let's take this off. If I can figure out how to do it. Sorry about the cut, I just got interrupted. So you just push it out like that. Just throw that to the side. You've got the box. It's very, like, you spent your money on this, and it's very, like, you can tell it's definitely like high quality. I've never owned like any headphones like this. Let me just get this out of the way for now. If there's anything in the box, I think there is. Oh yeah, so there's wires and stuff. Obviously, if you don't want to do Bluetooth, you've got that. And then you got this one as well, and I think got that as well. I think there is about 22 hours of battery life. I think this is all just boring papers. No one cares about that. Let's put that away for now. Move all this. And let's put this back. This is what we care about. So let's open this. There'll probably be some like cinematic shots and just showing you the actual headphones. This is what I went for, the grey, which I think is quite nice. There we go. Also, you've got the buttons here, all that. They look quite nice, to be honest. So these headphones do have noise cancelling, which means if you're out and about and you're listening to music, you won't be able to hear no like drilling or anything like that. I think there is like a certain point it goes to. Obviously, if there's a big bang, you're going to hear it, obviously. Also, you have Bluetooth on it. It has about 22 hours of battery life, but I think it's a bit less if you use the Bluetooth, and if you use the wires, it'll be a bit more. So it depends on what you want to do, but for 22 hours for Bluetooth, yeah, I don't think you can't really complain. If you go on Argos, they're retailed for about £299.95. I'll probably put it on the screen, like the website and stuff. They come in black, blue, red, or white. So I don't know how I've got these in grey, because I actually asked for them in white, but I don't know. I'm not going to complain. I got them, so it doesn't matter. I'll probably put on the screen like all the details and stuff and all the specs. But yeah, they are amazing sound quality. Obviously, for what you're paying, you'd hope they would be. But yeah, that's about it really. Thank you for watching.